Hello, children. I hope you all are doing good. Today, I will tell you all a story about two brothers, Nobita and Doraemon. One day, Nobita was drinking water and he spilled the water on the floor by mistake and ran away. Doraemon, who did not see the water on the floor, flipped, fell down, and broke his leg. So, here, what do we learn from the story? And the moral of the story is we need to be always careful with the things around us. It is very important that we take care of ourselves and be safe from the harmful things. Now, as you all are at home, it becomes very important that you take care of yourself and be safe. So, we will learn about few safety rules which we all need to follow when we are at home. The first and the very important thing is you should be away from the sharp objects. Sharp object such as scissor, knife, blade, needle. These are the sharp objects which you should be away from, children. You should not play with them and always be away from them. And the next thing is you should not play with the fire, you should not play with the matchstick, with the candle, and you should not enter the kitchen without your parents' permission. I'll show you the picture here of a girl. As you all can see, this is a picture of a girl who is in the kitchen with the fire. Playing with the fire will result into very dangerous thing. So it is very important that you do not enter the kitchen without your parents or any elder one's permission. And do not play with the candle with the lighter available in the kitchen. The next thing is you should not play with the electric board or electric wires. As you all can see in the picture, the boy is with the wire. Children, it is very dangerous to touch any electrical point or wire with the wet hands. So you should not touch anything when your hands are wet, and always be away from the electrical points or wires or switchboards. The next thing is, children, there are also few safety rules which we need to follow when we go out, and it is very important that we follow them to be safe. So the first thing is we should always follow the three lights, the signal lights which are on the road when we go on the road. The three lights what you all can see here in the picture are red, yellow and green. Red says stop, yellow says wait, and green says go. So whenever you go out with your parents, when you see these lights, we need to always follow the traffic lights. I repeat, children, for you all, red says stop, yellow is for wait, and green says go. Like this, we have another sign for this. This is P, which is crossed. This P with the cross says no parking. So whenever you see this, you should not park your vehicle in this wherever the signboard is given. We need to follow the signboard near the schools, near the hospital, some places which are restricted for the parking. And the next thing is, children, horn. Do not horn. As you all can see, I am holding a picture of a horn with a cross. We are not supposed to horn near the hospitals, near the schools. So whenever you see this symbol, do not put the horn. And the next thing is, children, about the school zone. The picture you all can see of the school zone. The boy and the girl in the picture are walking. So whenever you have this near the school zone, you should always be careful look here and there and then cross the road and walk. And we need to always walk on the footpath. And the next picture is, this is called zebra crossing. Whenever you cross the road, you have to look left, right, again to your left, and then cross the road at the zebra crossing only. So these are the safety rules, kids, which we all need to follow when we go out on the road and to be safe. Another thing is, you should always play in the playground or in the parks. Do not play on the road. It is very unsafe. You all can get hit by the vehicle which are coming fast. So it is very important that we take care of ourselves and do not play on the road, children. And avoid playing on the open terrace. And then the next photo you all can see I have with me. This as you all can see in the picture, we have a bus and the kids, the people outside the bus. Whenever you get in or out of the bus, always make sure that you get in or out in a queue, one after the other. Do not push or fight with each other. And it is very wrong to cross to cross the road when the vehicles are coming. So always wait, and then do not move in the running bus. You should not lean out from the window of the moving bus. Do not walk in the moving bus. So these are the safety rules, children, which we all should follow when we go out. And then the next thing is, you all must be going for swimming, right? You and a few of your friends must always be enrolled for the summer courses for the swimming. So it is very important with regard to swimming that you should always go with your parents or the elder people when you're going for the swimming. Now I'll show you a picture here. And you should always use the tube when you are entering the pool. Do not enter the pool without the tube. Always have your parents around with you whenever you are in the pool. And follow the things, whatever your instructor says when you are going to the pool. So children, these were the few safety rules which we all need to follow. I hope you all have understood all these things, and you all will take care of yourself and follow the safety rules. So until then, we meet in the next video. You all should take care, be home, be safe, and take care of yourself and follow all the safety rules. Take care. Bye bye.